Hello, my friend. My name is Cristiano Ronaldo. You may know me as a football player. But today I want to tell you my story. Not just about football, but about hard work, dreams, and never giving up. I was born on February 5, 1985, on a small island called Madeira in Portugal. We were poor. My family didn't have much money. My father worked as a gardener, and my mother was a cook. We had 4 kids in the house, and it was not always easy. But you know what we had? Love, and I had a dream. From a very young age, I loved football. I played in the streets, in the schoolyard, on the beach, everywhere. I didn't have the best shoes or clothes. Sometimes I played with bare feet. But it didn't matter. When I was just 8 years old, I joined a local team called Andarina. People noticed I was fast. Very fast. They said, "This boy is different." At 12 years old, I left my family and went to Lisbon to join the Sporting CP Academy. It was hard. I missed my mother so much. I cried at night. But I kept training. Every day I ran faster, kicked harder, and stayed longer. I told myself, you will make your family proud. And then, one day, something happened that changed my life forever. I was just 16 when I played a match that caught the eye of a very big club, Manchester United. Yes, in 2003, I moved to England, a young boy from Portugal going to the Premier League. It was a dream come true, but also it was scary. The food was different, the language was hard, and people expected a lot from me. But I didn't give up. I trained every day. I stayed longer on the field, and soon people started to believe in me. Sir Alex Ferguson, my coach, was like a father to me. He taught me not only how to play better, but also how to be strong in life. We won many trophies, including the Champions League in 2008. That was one of the happiest moments of my life. But my journey didn't stop there. In 2009, I joined Real Madrid, one of the biggest football clubs in the world. The pressure was high. People expected goals, and I gave them goals. I scored 450 goals in just 438 games for Real Madrid. But more than that, I gave everything on the pitch: discipline, passion, and belief. That's my secret. Later, I played for Juventus and then returned to Manchester United. Now, I play for Al Nassr in Saudi Arabia. I've won 5 Ballon d'Or awards. I've won many leagues, many trophies, but none of this would have happened if I gave up when things were hard. People see the success, the cars, the fans, but they don't always see the early mornings, the pain, the sacrifice. Let me tell you something. I don't drink alcohol. I don't smoke. I take care of my body like whatever it is, you must believe in yourself. People will laugh at your dream. They laughed at me too. They said, he's too skinny, he shows off too much, he will never be a legend. And yet, here I am. The only reason I made it is because I never stopped working. I kept going. Even when it was hard. Especially when it was hard. Let me tell you something that I live by. Talent is nothing without hard work. So if you're listening to this today and you feel tired or lost, don't give up. Train, learn, read, practice. Keep showing up. Success doesn't come in one day, it comes one step at a time. Also, I want to say something about kindness. I never forget where I came from. I help children. I build hospitals. Because success means nothing if you don't give back. Today, I have 4 beautiful children. I'm a father. I want them to know that the most powerful thing in the world is not money or fame. It's character. And now, I want you to do something. Close your eyes. Think about your dream. Can you see it? Can you feel it? Now promise yourself this. You will never stop chasing it. Because if a poor boy from Madeira can become one of the greatest footballers in the world, you can do great things too. Thank you for listening to my story. Keep learning, keep growing, and remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to try every day. My name is Cristiano Ronaldo, and this was my journey. Now go write your own.